How to duplicate template in SendGrid. So first log into your SendGrid account, then hover to the email API section here on the left navigation menu. So click on that, then click on dynamic templates. Then it will bring you right here on this page. So it will redirect you right here. Now you simply need to click on create a dynamic template. And here I'm just going to name it test, then click on create once you're done naming it. After that, just simply click on the template that you have right there. Then click on add version. So you can start with a blank template or use the SendGrid email designs right here. So we have a ton of templates that you could choose from, but let's say I want to use this. So I'm going to click on select, and you can either go with the code editor or design editor. So for me, I'm going to go with the design editor. Then now it will redirect you here on the edit page. So you can now edit the template as you like. And once you're done using the template, you can now save it right here. And once you have your own template, if you want to duplicate it, you just simply need to hover to the three dot icon right there. And as you can see, there's an option for duplication. So you just simply need to click on that. And here you will just simply need to name the duplicate. So I'm just going to leave it at that, which is copy of test or the template name. Then click on duplicate. And as you can see, it has been duplicated just like that. And that is how you basically duplicate a template in SendGrid.